I had just had a bilateral hip replacement that didn't take very well. It was not that successful, one of the hips. And at that time I was also told that I probably had rheumatoid arthritis. So I was seeing a rheumatoid arthritis physician down in Los Angeles, which is too far to travel. And then I remember I phoned, Dr. Hercel was here then, and I phoned his office saying, God, someone please help me. And she got me in right away to be, to work with her son. He was fabulous, and then he became real busy, and then Dr. Okava came in and filled in for him for an appointment, and I've been with him ever since. The pain in the center of my back was incredible. I mean, you wanted to just stay stooped over because it was hard to straighten up. I was not able to function. He gets me right in. I've never had to wait to see him more than 5 minutes. He's never left the office without returning a call. And I think I've had to speak with him maybe 4 times during our relationship about on a weekend. And he calls right back. It's just, he's just there. I was kind of from the old school, with age comes wisdom. But I'm finding out, no, because there's so many new things that are out in the marketplace now. And where he was schooled in his age, I trust him. I know what he's doing. He keeps me from pain. I have to be careful, if I do Pilates. He also suggested Pilates, to strengthen your inner core.
Right.
Which I have not done yet. In case I move back to the East Coast, he's coming with. I'm going to set him up in a practice there. I can't imagine not having him as a physician in my life. At one point, I did need an internist that he suggested because if I had the flu, he was my only doctor. And he said, Suze, you got to check out this doctor down the hall. So I did. I gave it a try. And I went flying back to him 6 weeks later. I would wait an hour and a half to 2 versus 5 minutes. I would never get a phone call returned. And it would take up to 10 to 12 days to get a refill on a prescription. Dr. Okavat, right there. Right there. And he's calm, and he gets on the computer and he studies and he's got a great personality. I feel very comfortable with him.